In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Pipedrive. Whether you're looking to declutter your inbox or simply manage your emails more efficiently, this guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Pipedrive website. This is the hub for managing your pipelines and sales processes, so it's crucial that we start there. Once you arrive at the home page, the next step involves logging into your account. To do this, simply click on the Login button, which you'll find prominently displayed. If you're already familiar with the login process, this should be a breeze. Enter your credentials as you normally would, and you'll be directed to your Pipedrive home. Now that you're logged into Pipedrive, you're ready to access your sales inbox. The sales inbox is a valuable tool for handling all your customer communications in one place, and it's where you'll manage the emails you receive. To find the sales inbox, you'll need to navigate through your home page. Keep an eye out for this option, as it's integral to the email deletion process. With your sales inbox open, the next step is selecting an email that you'd like to delete. Perhaps there's an old communication that's no longer relevant, or you just want to clear some space. Whatever the reason, clicking on the email will bring it up, allowing you to view its contents and ensuring it's the right one to remove. Once you've confirmed that you're looking at the correct email, it's time for the action point: deleting it. You'll find the Delete button conveniently located on the page. By clicking this button, the email will be removed from your inbox, helping you maintain a tidy and organized space for your current communications. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to delete emails in Pipedrive. Managing your inbox effectively allows you to keep your focus on the communications that are most important to you, improving your overall productivity. Remember that Pipedrive has a range of tools and features that can further help streamline your sales process, so don't hesitate to explore them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy emailing!